Hi everyone.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Straight in the lens. We're here at the Living Tomorrow Center close to Brussels. It's a place that looks at how the future of our buildings and cities could be smarter, more sustainable. So it's a perfect place to have a conversation about how to act for this better future. Dominique, how does insulation contribute to that future?
In a major way. It plays a major role in terms of energy security, reducing our dependency. It reduces the cost of living, reduces operational carbon, helps achieve net zero. So it's, we believe, our responsibility to really work with the industry and unleash all the power of that insulation. One of the main goals that we have in our plan.
True, and Knauf Insulation is a good example where we put at low cost sensors in houses and buildings to measure the exact real world energy consumption. And this way we are creating a new model for the construction value chain that will truly enable a faster, cheaper and better renovation waves.
Well, that's a great example, and it's really showing how we can contribute to make a difference and really help the industry to decarbonize the footprint. Now, at the same time, we're not forgetting our own footprint, and there's a full action plan that we have to address that on our side.
Yes, we have a responsibility as a manufacturer to address that as well. We're going to reduce by 50% on the 2021 baseline our emissions. At the same time, we also reduce our water consumption, and we are incorporating in our building materials more and more recycled content. And that's about our footprint, but it's also changing the way we are doing business.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, we're about building a sustainable business because we want to long-term continue to make a difference. I'll give you some figures to illustrate that. We plan to invest every single year 75 million euros into sustainability. 75 million euros. I mean, that's above and beyond the standard capex. And the reason we can do that is because we're a family business with a long-term view, but it also gives us a bit of a sense of responsibility and also a different way of looking at a return on investment.
This is why we often say that we have more than a sustainability strategy. We are looking at the good that insulation brings into the building environment and the world. We are addressing our own emissions at our footprint level. And also, we are embedding sustainability in every decision we make in our business.
Absolutely. It goes back to living up to our promise to the customer, which is to build on us, that they can count on us, but it also helps us deliver on the group purpose to make tomorrow a home for all of us, and helping the industry turn those positive visions of the future into reality. And so now it's just about making it happen. Let's get to it.